What's up? How you doing? It's Trenius, Henderson. You're tuned into the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. We're going to talk about money. We're going to talk about something that is very, very important. Money. Money, money, money. The law of attractions. 5 reasons why money is so hard to attract. Once upon a time, money was something hard to attract. We didn't know how to attract money because our minds were like mentally programmed to think of money as the root of all evil. Have you heard of that? Like that mythological saying, like money is the root of all evil. Rich people are bad people because they have a lot of money. Oh man, people that have a lot of money are doing something bad. Oh man, people that have a lot of money are selling their souls because they have a lot of money. Have you heard some of these things before? Well, I'm here to tell you the truth. That is absolutely bogus. That is not true. Being abundant, being prosperous is your birthright. You know, that's something that you're supposed to have. Life is good. Life is a beautiful place. And everyone is worthy enough to be abundant. Everyone should have money. Not having money is the problem. You know, because money is another form of energy. To have money is like you have energy. It's like when you have money, you're more happier, right? Come on, tell the truth. Now tell the truth. Let's be honest. Let's keep it real here. So we got to continue to teach ourselves, to train our mind. When you get money, that's like the universe saying, hey, I'm giving you what you have put out. Okay? When somebody's giving you a blessing or a gift or a present or anything, they're basically saying, I'm giving you this because you've done something to make me feel special. Or I love something about you and so I'm going to give you this. You know, your job pays you a check and says, hey, you've worked hard. You've shown yourself approved. Here's money in exchange for all the hard work that you've done. So money is a great thing. And the more of it that you have, the more it affects your energy system. First reason why money is so hard to attract for most people is because they want it way too much. You know, you want money way too much. The law of attraction does not work if you're always pressuring yourself on getting money. I know plenty of people who are always working overtime. They always got to have an extra dollar. They're always out hustling. They're always trying to get over on somebody. They're always trying to steal somebody else's money, or they're always trying to, you know, beat you in the head to get your money out your pockets. You know, and they're going so hard for money all the time. On them all, oh, I get money. I get money. I get money. Yeah, I get money. And those are the people who never really have enough money. Don't you notice that? The people who always say how much money they get are the people who never really have enough money. Because the law of attraction does not grant you your wishes when you have resistance. So you want to put yourself in a mental position of where you're expecting to receive money, but at the same time you're not expecting to receive money in a forceful way. Like you don't want to force yourself to like go get money or to make money. You know, you just want to be at ease. It's all about being at ease, not at dis-ease. Being at ease and just flowing with the life force, flowing with the positive energy. You know that you need money, but at the same time, don't feel like you have to get up and go out and, you know, go hard. Like, give me the money now. Rob the bank, rob the bank. And number 2, the reason why money is so hard to attract is because we weren't taught how to think abundantly. You know, most of us were born into the world around people who probably never really had a lot of money. Like, I don't even have any friends who were born to millionaire parents. I mean, that's rare. Like, so most of my friends, including me, were not born to be millionaire mindset people. We didn't know what abundance is. We had to teach ourselves what abundance was. Like, we had to train our mind to believe that, you know, it's our birthright to have riches. You know, we're supposed to have the great things in life. We're supposed to have a quality life. We're supposed to have the best of the best things because there's enough to go around for everybody. There's nothing wrong with living good. So the number 2 reason why money is so hard for you to attract is because your mind has not yet got into a habitual habit of thinking that you deserve money. So it's important that you continue to teach yourself that it's okay to be abundant. It's okay to have money. The more you train your mind to think like this, the more you will behave abundantly. You will behave like a wealthy person. And then when you behave like that, guess what people do? They be like, yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Would you like some cheese? And you be like, no, I don't want no cheese. I want no cheese. I want some money. All right, number 3. Another reason why you're not attracting money and why people don't attract a lot of money is because they place money way above themselves. Some people just look at rich people, or they look at people that got great things, big houses, nice cars, and they say, you know what? I don't deserve that. I don't deserve that. I'm comfortable with what I have right here. This is enough for me, and this is all I want. Don't leave me alone. I do not want a big house. I do not want a dog. I don't want a cat. I don't want anything good. Leave me alone. And so some people have placed money way above themselves in the sky as if it's something that they're not supposed to have. And so it's hard for you to fathom the money notion. It's hard for you to think, you know what, this is something that I need. I need a lot of money because I got a lot of bills that's coming in at all times and it never stops. So if you are a person who's feeling like you've placed money way above you, like in some cloud that you can't have, you got it wrong. You got it wrong. You got to grab that cloud and bring it back down to earth and know that here, right now in this moment, you can have all the money that you could possibly even imagine right now. You just got to believe it in order to receive it. And that ties into number 4. You know, a lot of people don't really want money. You know, a lot of people say, you know, I want to make money. I want to get this. But they don't, that's not their ultimate goals. You know, like I know a lot of people who have money, but they don't even realize that they have a lot of money. You know, I know a lot of people who say, you know what, I'm gonna make a lot of money this year for my New Year's resolution, but then they get all focused by thinking about other things that mean much more to them, like hey, like I'm a girl, you know, I want to make myself look good, and that's all I'm focused on right now. It's just going to the gym, hitting it real hard. I want my beauty to just stand out, and I want to be radiant amongst everybody that I go around, and I don't want to think about nothing else but that, you know. And so they lose the fact that you need money to do all that. You need money to go to the gym. You need money to look good. You need money to buy the makeup. You need money to buy the earrings. You need money, money, money all the time. So you have to want money. And so you can't let not wanting money be a reason why money doesn't attract to you. Want money. I want money. You got to say that to yourself. That should be one of your affirmations. I am money. I am money. I am money. Money is a part of me. I want money. And last but not least, folks, number 5. Don't take this whole money thing as a joke. This is serious business. This is real stuff. Any successful person will tell you that in order to succeed, they had to go all out. They had to do all they can do. They had to make a lot of sacrifices in order to just get enough money to fulfill their dreams. You know, and then sometimes that's what you got to do. So sometimes you have to take risk in order to make money. You know, you have to put your money on the line sometimes in order to make more money sometimes. I've done it several times. There's so many times I can recall in my life where I never had enough money, right? But somehow I believed that I was going to get it. Like, even if I put my last little bit of monies on the line to like buy me a shirt or something that I wanted, even though I didn't have the money to be able to afford it, but I had the money, you know what I'm saying? Like, I had money, but I didn't have enough to afford it. I got it anyway because it will help me feel good. It will boost my energy. And so when your energy is boosted because you're making a sacrifice or you're taking a risk to do something that you know that you need because your energy is calling for it, then the next thing you know, your energy will help you get to point B and to point C. And then you'll start to realize, you know what, that's how you really make money. You have to have the energy. When you got good energy because you're doing the things that you love to do, that you're passionate about, when you're wearing the clothes that you like to wear, when you're hanging around all the people that you really want to hang around, you know, when you're with the guy that you want to be with, oh man, I love Danny. You know, when you're around Danny, it's like your energy just goes from 0 to 100 real quick. And the next thing you know, all the things that you didn't like to think about, you started thinking about when you're around Danny. All the stuff that you know you're supposed to do, but you don't do it until you get around Danny. Like, oh, I need to clean my house. So Danny coming over. Oh, Danny. Oh, I'm going out to the store, girl, to get me a new dress. Oh, I'm going to get that dress. Yeah. Girl, what happened to you yesterday? Yesterday, you didn't want no dress. Yesterday, you was ugly. Anyway, but nah, seriously, y'all catch my drift though, right? Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this message resonated with you. And again, if you want to learn more about yourself, make yourself better, other people's lives better, and the world a better place, like behind the scenes, make sure you check out the Trenius Transcendence link below. And it's going to lead you to a page where you just put your email in, And I have CDs and all that great stuff that you can, listen to in your car, in your home, whatever the case may be. And it'll help you learn more about yourself so that on your journey, you will have smooth sailing. Now, everything will go right. You'll get from point A to point B. You'll start feeling like money is something that you're supposed to have. All that stuff will change. Your energy will begin to change, because you're always constantly filling your mind up with all this good, positive information. And that's what I did. That's what I did. And that's why I'm able to tell you the same information that I filled myself up with over a course of time. So check out that guide. Check out that package below, Trenius Transcendence. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next 24 hours. Peace.